everybody, this is Dave with Marathon Coach. Today we're doing a video to show you the controls right here for the floor heat in a coach. These are the latest controls we've been using for the floor heat. Now, before I talk about the operation of the panels, I want to talk about the two breaker boxes here because the floor heat uses a lot of power. They're electric pads in the floor. They're not hydronic heat. They are electric. And there's a big mat underneath the tiles in this coach that are used for heating the floors. So since they use so much power, they're in this bottom box down here. Let me talk just a second about the difference between these two boxes. Everything in the top box is what works on the inverters right here. But that means, since this works on inverters, everything in this bottom box has to have either shore power or generator to work. So you have to have shore power generator to work the floor heat in the coach. And so we get to the operation of these. You can see they say off. They wouldn't even be powered up unless you had shore power or generator power. So if I wanted to turn these on, right now they're off, press that top button, and right now this is set at 90 degrees. This would be probably the same thing over here. So once that starts flashing, then these two different floor heats, forward section and rear section of the coach, are going to be trying to heat up to 90 degrees. And the radiant heat from these floors is quite often in a middle temperature situation enough to heat the whole coach. So you can adjust these up and down if you want, just by using those. I'm going to leave these where the customers have them set. And so the biggest trick here, you just basically let these go and they slowly heat up. It takes a while for them to heat up. The big deal here with the controls is how to turn these units off. To turn them off, you have to press and hold both buttons at the same time until it says off, like that. And then it'll stay off. And do that over here too. And there we go. The basic operation is pretty simple. It's just basically on and off. Really, you can adjust the temperature up and down as needed, to fit your body. And so there you have it. It's a pretty simple operation.